Make these soft onion rolls to serve with a hearty soup to make sandwiches or even hamburgers. Start by frying your onions by drizzling a little olive oil in a pan and cooking them until they are a light golden color. Then remove them from the pan into a small dish and let them cool. Start with the yeast mixture by combining a little bit of the sugar with some warm water and then adding in the yeast. Stir the yeast until dissolved and then set aside. Then you'll add the dry ingredients to the bowl of a stand mixer, like the flour, the salt, the rest of the granulated sugar, and the onion soup mix. Place the bowl on the stand mixer and attach the dough hook. Stir the dry ingredients until just combined. For the wet ingredients, combine in a large bowl the milk and the egg and whisk the two together until smooth. Then add to the bowl of the stand mixer. Then also add the yeast mixture and 3/4 of the fried onions. Stir everything together until the dough comes together, and the dough will be tacky but not sticky. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and knead it a few times by folding it onto itself and then shaping it into a large ball. Drizzle a little olive oil in the bowl of the stand mixer and then return the ball of dough to the bowl, cover it with plastic and let it rest. After 20 to 30 minutes, divide the dough into 12 equal pieces and shape the balls by gathering the dough on the bottom of the ball, creating a tight surface on top, and then roll them into a tight ball. Transfer to a sheet pan lined with parchment paper, and then cover them with plastic wrap, and then let them proof until doubled in size. Make your egg wash by mixing together milk and an egg yolk. Mix until smooth, and then we're ready to prepare our buns. Remove the plastic from the proofed buns, and brush each bun with the egg wash, making sure you have some on the sides. Then take the remainder of the fried onions and place them on top of each bun. Sprinkle some everything seasoning on top of the buns and into the oven they go until nice and golden brown. Perfect to make sandwiches and hamburgers. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.